Do you want to know how to make a revision plan that will get you outstanding results in your GCSE or A Level exams? If so, you're in the right place. My name is Lucy Parsons and I'm an academic coach who helps students to get the top grades in their exams and into their first choice of university. Keep watching to find out how to make a revision plan that gets outstanding results. Revision, revision, revision. It seems to be all anyone is talking about with exams looming on the horizon. Teachers who have probably never actually explained how to revise are mentioning it in every lesson, and your parents who are so desperate to see you do well are constantly asking how it's going. Are you feeling the pressure? Well, I'm here to say that you can stop worrying. It's all in hand. I'm going to tell you step by step how to create the ideal revision strategy so that you are in control. So why do you need a strategy to revise? Why can't you just pick up the nearest textbook, flick through it randomly and choose some topic? Well, like any enormous task, revision is much easier when you actually have a plan. The beauty of making and sticking to a revision plan is that by the time you get to your exam, you know you'll be properly prepared for whatever the exam might hold for you. You'll know there's nothing more that you could have done. So now I'm going to take you through the 10 steps that you need to take to create a revision plan that gets outstanding results. So step 1 is to know your syllabus or specification, and you can easily get hold of a syllabus or specification for any GCSE or A Level subject from the exam board's website. So find out what exam boards you're studying from and get hold of those specifications on the websites. Step 2 is to make a note of your exam dates. So you actually need to know when your exams are and how long you've got to prepare for them. Step 3 is to go back to your specifications and to know what your shortcomings are. So what you need to do is identify your strengths and weaknesses. So you need to know which things you're really good at and therefore you need to spend less time revising them, and which things are weaknesses of yours, so you need to invest a lot more time in them to bring them up to standard and help you get a really, really good grade. Step 4 is to draft a timetable, and I'm going to share a URL to a blog post at the end where you can download a revision plan outline, and that revision plan outline will help you to draft your timetable, and it's got it's different slots in it for different times of day where you could put in your different subjects and topic areas. So this 5th step is to add in the dates onto your revision plan, so the actual dates of your exams and any other important dates that you need to know about. Step 6 is to fill in all your subjects. So you'll fill in like biology, but not just biology, the actual topic that you want to cover, and that will be one of the weaknesses that you identified earlier on. So you want to fill in your weaknesses first, so you cover them off first, building up to covering your strengths in your revision plan. Step 7 is don't forget to live your life. So even though you're studying for exams, you still need to make sure that you get a good night's sleep by winding down and making your brain calm down to go to sleep at the end of the day. You still need to get exercise, you still need to talk to your family and friends, and you still need to eat some good food to keep you fueled through your revision. So make sure you plan in those things to keep you healthy and happy while you're actually revising. Step 8 is to set blocks and breaks. So I've got some other useful resources which I've linked to in the blog post that I'm going to direct you to at the end of the video, which talks about how to break down how long you should be spending revising before you have a break, how long your revision breaks should be, and that kind of thing. So work out your work rhythm, what works for you, and how much and how often you need to take breaks to keep you going over the long term. Step 9 is to be accountable. So some people find it really difficult to stick to a plan, even though they know it's the right thing to do to get them the grades that they want and deserve. So if you know you're that kind of person, find somebody to be your accountability partner. Now, that might be a parent, it might be a friend, it might be a mentor, it might be an older sibling, but just get somebody who's going to be really honest with you and who's going to really help you to keep on track so that you get the grades that you really deserve. Finally, we have step 10, and this is really satisfying. It's checking off tasks when they're complete so that you can see the progress that you're making towards getting these amazing grades. It's a really, really nice psychological feeling to do this. So now all you have to do is follow these steps and create a revision plan tailor-made to your strengths and weaknesses that will get you outstanding results. So as I've said before, I have a more detailed blog post on my website, which I'd love you to come and check out, which will help you break down the things I've shared with you in today's video even more and help you to put it into practice. And you can also download a revision plan outline from the same blog post. So this is the URL to find that, lifemoreextraordinary.com/revision-plan. If you've enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, I'd love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so that you get to watch any future videos that I bring out, sharing you great tips to get outstanding grades in your exams and into your first choice of university. Thank you so much for watching and good luck.